Hi there, welcome to another video on the Vibe Code Wiki channel where I document my vibe coding expeditions, including discoveries, hassle, with no edits. Now, I found this tool that appears very interesting, and I'll be getting a computer for my AI agent. It's said to be more advanced or powerful than Openclaw for the reasons that I'll highlight in the course of this video. By the way of interest to me is this notice at the top: MiniMax 2.7 and Kimi K2.5 are free until the end of March. Okay, powerful AI in your personal cloud, runs 24/7 even while you sleep, books meetings, manages your email, builds apps and websites in minutes, text it like a friend or use the app. Now, you can also use it in conjunction with Openclaw. Basically, host your Openclaw on your Zoe computer and enhance its capabilities. Now, why do you need Zoe computer, and why is it seen to be more advanced than Openclaw? Because of some of the reasons that we'll highlight, such as, okay, not here, I just did some research before doing this video, and it says it has persistent memory, which is something that Openclaw struggles with. It will forget your conversation when you leave it and return to it. This has persistent memory. Very simple to, okay, let's look here. Always online, Zoe is your personal cloud computer. Yeah, so this one, another thing I realized based on research is that they give you a user interface to access the computer. Comes with an email, making your agent capable of doing practically everything you can do as a human on its own computer, and it looks like a one-click setup. Now, that's not determined until we proceed further. So, unified, everything you need all in one secure place you control. No more SaaS locking, no more jumping between tools. Organize your digital life. We'll find out if all these are claims or is true. Personal cloud, leverage AI in personal workspace with built-in cloud storage, AI tools, and hosting all in your personal cloud. So basically your computer in cloud, where your AI lives. So all the best AI models with your context. Choose from all the top AI models or bring your own API keys. Works with all files, PDFs, spreadsheets. Text your AI computer. Text Zoe instructions while you're on the go. Build projects, do research, or access your files. Ask Zoe over iMessage, SMS, or Telegram. Now, you definitely want to have an AI agent on its own computer in your arsenal if you're a builder, because this thing can run autonomously 24 hours, do anything that you want without you asking. They have this one in particular could have the ability to evolve, which is the new trend with AI agents these days. I'm going to cover that in some other videos talking about another infrastructure that I found. This one is an evolutionary AI agent, but this one should be able to perform evolution considering it has persistent memory. And superficially looking with my search where I compared it with Openclaw, it does have that ability, but left to be found out as we would soon do. So build apps, create anything from automations to dashboards to full apps, host anything in your personal cloud. No external services needed. It's all built in. So that's a positive there. Now, if you're using Openclaw to build your app, you would not have where to host. You would struggle a bit, know-how wise to get that dashboard hosted. You'd have to do it, manually. Go Vercel, Netlify, put your code on GitHub and stuff like that. Okay, so let's go. Search the web, connect GitHub. This is a very good one as well. Get persona. So very interesting value proposition. What kind can I use Zoe for cloud storage? What if AI messes up my computer? Can I back it up and restore it? Let's see this. Yes, we can perform regular snapshots. Okay, so let's go on to completing sign up. And this is how it's looking. This is abstracted for the regular user. Now, I don't know if this is available. Let's experiment with this. So access your, so you have a computer, you have a space, your personal site on Zoe. Wow, that's interesting. then your email. Okay, interesting stuff. Let's see if, wow, nobody has taken vibe code. That's interesting. So it looks like the setup of the computer is free. There is no payment at this stage. Although I would expect that there will be a payment. Generally, I like to pay. So choose your theme. Let's just wait. Let me see what's shown here. Now, by the way, do I use Openclaw? Yes. My solution for Openclaw is InstaClaw. This is a one-click solution. It gives you everything you need for your Openclaw to earn. It's just toggle of a button if you wanted to work for you on Fiverr, e-commerce platforms like Shopify. You wanted to trade for you on Polymarket, earn on Virtuals Protocol. All here. All the skills are also here. You wanted to improve your social media management and all that. Everything is here. Just toggle. So this is the easiest solution when it comes to InstaClaw. Take note. You can even set it up for free. Use it for 3 days. Any model, including Claude. Claude is the base model, and it switches between model to maximize pricing and all that. Very cheap solution to use. Higgs field, all that. Your Openclaw will be able to create videos, automate your social media, all that. I've done experiments with that. This is my Openclaw, by the way. It works autonomously with a cron job and all that. But there's nothing wrong with complementing it and experiencing what Zoho has to offer, and that's what this video is about. Now, I don't know if to go next, so just wait till 100%. We'll just wait a bit. Let me just experiment with clicking on next. Okay. While you wait, personalize your Zoho. So this is if you want to personalize it. It may want to know your location for that, but I won't. Okay, so while you are waiting, add your socials. This is a good one. Interesting stuff. GitHub, Instagram, Substack. So let me just add Vibe Code Wiki here. Vibe Code Wiki. No, let's just do Web3 wikis. Okay. So next. So how should Zoho talk to you? Be concise and direct. Always use lowercase. Explain things in depth. I like the details. Detailed. Ambitious. With respect to deep research. And humanistic. Let's just put it like that. Next. Okay, so build tools and searches, opportunities in the crypto space. Okay. Okay, so that's some personalization there. Go to your Zoho. Apologies that the video is lengthy. I don't edit my videos, by the way, so, yes. So text your computer optional but recommended. Our users love this feature. You can also email your Zoe at vibe code. Okay, Zoe will reply to emails to send you this. By checking this box and verifying your phone number, you consent to receiving transactional SMS from Zoe by substrate. Hopefully it's possible to set this up later. Hopefully. Because I would want to set this up, but not in this video. You can also email Zoe at Zoe will reply to your emails you send to this address. Okay, so let's skip. So far, no payment involved, and you'll be able to use the models earlier mentioned for free till the end of March. So why not test it? So let's see the next. I want to go through this flow so at least you know if there is a payment for those who are, reserved when it comes to payments and stuff. So it says early morning at 8 a.m. Zoe should gather the top news from, wow, this is proactive, from my followed crypto channel, so it knows my X account. Highlight any new airdrop opportunities and some. Now this is interesting stuff. The email should include key deadlines. Wow, I'll tell you the result of this in another video. If so, it's likely going to be sending it to that email, that vibe Zoe related email. Go to Zoe, to your Zoe. Okay, so MiniMax is the default model. It says free. Then there is the option to subscribe. So, wow. So for now, you can set this up and run it for free till end of March. However, there are other models here. Now, I do want to test this GLM5 model. Although it costs some funds, but I wouldn't expect it to cost much. You can also bring your own keys for that. There's also Gemini, GPT, and there is also Sonnet. So for this one, you would have to bring your API key, likely, pay there for it. Not too expensive. So this is under this one, but this one's for subscriber only if you want to use Opus. Interesting stuff. Wow, interesting stuff. Okay, so let's look at subscription. By the way, I may have an invite code. I don't know yet, but I'll put it in the description. It may give a discount. I'm not sure yet. So 18 per month. AI models, full model selection, AI credits 10 per month included. Availability always on. Services, 5 services, custom domains. Server 432 gigabyte RAM, which is tangible. Compared to what you would have generally, or if you were to rent a server yourself. This is, it's competitive with the GPU to an extent. So it's going to be fast. Typically you would rent a 4 gigabyte RAM cloud. And so this is a very good price. And this 18 per month. 64, you have more. Plus credits. So if you pay 64, 40 of it is for credits. Then you have 16 core server, 100, and so sharper situation with your agent. Now free, and that's why we could set this up for free, because you get one service, goes to sleep. So these are the compromises when it comes to free. So you can ask your agent. Goes to sleep. We don't know, maybe every 5 hours or so. So you can work. Or maybe it's idle. I'm not very sure the details there. Daily limits, free only, services, limited CPU and memory. So I'll definitely upgrade, so why not? Let's see. So I may have promo code. I'm not very sure. Yeah, so you can use my link. I do have a link here. You will get $10 in credit, just as I would. So do well to use my link if you want. Interesting stuff. Okay, so let's look here very quickly at the features. You have agents. So one of my agents is Emotion Space. So this is going to be your personal homepage. You can set that up. So there is likely going to be like a social media situation where others can find you. I don't know if this is, decentralized outlet where you can put up stuff. Skills, it said that, okay, you can create skill here. There's no like template of skills, but it's definitely going to be made available. Hosting, so let's say you have built something, you'll be able to host it here and view the changes and all that. Data sets, system, so this is for storage of memory. Terminal, it also has terminal, which is great. So this is an entire coding suite, basically. The terminal, this is the terminal to your personal computer, so you can, the files, you can definitely bring your GitHub here, have it deployed locally on your PC. If you're on the 18, you have enough PC space to put whatever interesting stuff. So it also means you can run your N8N, your Postis, all those open source stuff. If you are doing it on your local PC, you now have a PC externally that you can put it on. Interesting stuff for a good deal. That $18 come with a lot. You can also, I'll be getting this. It's quite exciting, and that's about it for this video. Let's just leave it at that. Billing, let's see. So everything manageable here. So yes, and you have the opportunity of bringing your own AI provider here. Use the Zoe MCP server to power up AI with Zoe tools and context. So this is for bringing your own key. Settings, advanced. Anyway, we'll talk about that in another video. Exciting times. I'll definitely be getting this. What you are getting is huge. You are basically getting a computer in the cloud with email, phone number. It has a phone number, interestingly. Wow. This is not my... Anyway, and yes, this is the best I've seen so far. Best I've seen. Let's leave it at that. Bringing us to the end of this video. If you want, I would like you to subscribe to Vibecode Wiki. Other information will be in the description. And that's about it for this video. Stay awesome. Take action.